आज का टॉपिक है सॉइल, वाटर एंड वेदर। क्लास थर्ड के लिए प्रैक्टिस वर्कशीट है ओलंपियाड एग्जाम के लिए साइंस ओलंपियाड। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चंस विद एक्सप्लेनेशन। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ वाटर? ए, it boil at 100 degree centigrade. B, it is a tasteless. C, it dissolve every substances in it. D, it is odorless. यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए, हमें क्या बताना है? नॉट अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक जो नहीं है उसे हमें बताना है। तो करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, इट इज डिसॉल्व एवरी सब्सटेंसेस इन इट। Water is known as a universal solvent because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. However, it does not dissolve every substances. For example, oil does not dissolve in water. Question number 2. Which among the following does not take part in soil formation? A, rocks. B, erosion. C, rain. D, wood. Correct answer is option D. However, based on the visible option rock, erosion, rain are all factors that take part of process of soil formation. Soil is formed from the weathering of rocks, and erosion and rain are agents that contribute to this process. So, correct answer is option D. It is not a part of erosion word. Next question number 3. Select the odd one out. River, well, lake, pond. Well. Correct answer है option B, well. A river, well and lake are all sources of water. However, a river and a lake are natural water bodies, while a well is a man-made structure for accessing ground water. Question number 4. Humidity is A, amount of water vapor in the air. B, amount of gases in the air. C, amount of clouds in the air. या D, none of these. Correct answer है option A, amount of water vapor in the air. Humidity is the concentration of water vapor present in the air. The amount of water vapor can affect weather condition. Question number 5. Select the odd one out among the following. A, B, C and D. Correct answer is option A. A, B, C and D. B, C and D. Also images of coffee being consumed in a cup. Option A, so in boxes of Rashna, which is the powdered drink mix. Question number 6. आगे मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि ये मैंने ओशवाल ओलंपियाड वर्कबुक से क्वेश्चंस आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ। साथ ही इससे पहले मैंने क्लास थर्ड के मैथ के ओशवाल से सारे चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चंस आंसर आपके साथ शेयर किए हैं। अगर आपने उसे नहीं देखा है तो उसकी लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगी, उसे आप अवश्य देखें। चलिए आगे क्वेश्चंस की तरफ आगे बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, द सॉइल विच द हाइएस्ट वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी? क्लेवल सॉइल, सैंडी सॉइल, स्टील सॉइल या लोमी सॉइल? करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, क्लेवी सॉइल। करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, क्लेवी सॉइल। क्लेवी सॉइल इज नोन फॉर having the highest water holding capacity because its particles are very fine and tightly packed, leaving little space for water to drain away. Next question number 7. Which one of these following statement is not true? A. Water is present in snow in mountain. B. When we heat ice, it's become water. C. Concentration process involves in the formation of water vapor. या D. Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade. Correct answer है option C. Condensation process involves in the formation of water vapor. The condensation process is the conversion of water vapor into liquid water, not the formation of water vapor. Water vapor is formed during evaporation. Question number 8. Which among the following affect the weather? A. Temperature. B. Wind. C. Rain. या D. All of these. Correct answer है option D. All of these. Temperature, wind and rain are all factors that contribute to and are a part of weather condition. Next question number 9. Mark the statement as true or false. Choose the correct option. Weather become unpleasant and uncomfortable during spring. This is false. Spring weather is generally considered pleasant. Second, excess rain causes flood. True, heavy rainfall can lead to floods. C. Chilly wind blow during winter. This is true. Cold wind are characteristic of winter. Fourth, clothes dry fastest in autumn season. Clothes dry fastest in autumn season. This is false. Clothes is generally dry fastest in summer due to higher temperatures and lower humidity. So, correct answer is option D. True. This is false. And then true. Next question number 10. The hardest layer of the soil is subsoil. D. Parent material. C. Topsoil. या D. Bedrock. Correct answer is option D. Bedrock. Bedrock is the solid, unweathered rock layer that lies beneath the soil horizons and it is hardest layer. Next question number 11. Which of the following proves that soil contains air? Option A, when a small amount of soil is heated in container, then some water vapor is seen escaping from it. करेक्ट आंसर है इसमें हो जाता है ऑप्शन डी. चलिए इसको समझ लेते हैं. When water is added to a soil sample, It displaces the air that is trapped in the soil pores. This displaced air escapes as bubbles, proving that air was present in the soil. Next question number 12. Winter season comes during A. May, June, C. February, March, B. October, November, या D. December, January. So, correct answer is option December and January. December and January. In the northern hemisphere, the winter season typically occurs during the months of December, January and February. Next question number 13. Soil horizon is a soil technique for mapping. B. The types of a soil. C. Layer of soil. या D. A method of breaking rocks. करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, लेयर ऑफ सॉइल. Layer of soil. A soil horizon is a layer of soil or soil profile that the parallel of the soil surface. Question number 14. The breaking down of rocks and minerals of earth's surface is called erosion. B. Weathering. C. Preciptation. या D. Pubescence. करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन बी, weathering. The breaking down of rocks and minerals of Earth's surface is called weathering. Weathering is a process of breaking down rocks, soil and minerals through contact with the Earth's atmosphere, water and biological organisms. Next question number 15 and last questions. आई होप आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा हो. प्लीज़ हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए. चलिए इसके आंसर देख लेते हैं. इफ एन आइस क्यूब इज द wrapped in black cloth and another in the aluminum foil, both of the place is sunlight, which will melt first? A. Ice cube placed inside the aluminum foil. B. Ice cube wrapped in the black cloth. C. Both of these. या D. None of these. Correct answer is option B. Ice cube wrapped in a black cloth. Black objects absorb more heat from sunlight than shiny objects like aluminum foil, which reflect heat. Therefore, the ice cube wrapped in black cloth will absorb more heat and melt faster. Thank you.